Hey, good morning, YouTube. What's going on? So, bought this F-250 about almost 6 months ago now, and I haven't done a cold start on it. It hasn't been really below 50 all summer, so it's about 47 degrees right now. The truck has not been started in 12 days, so let's do a cold start on it. Let's see how this thing behaves. Very curious, actually. The old 7.3s heavily rely on the Glowplex system. So, and I'm going to start by just cycling the wait to start light one time. High mileage 7.3. Let's see what it does. Okay, wait to start light's off. I'm gonna try it. Wow. She went right off. Interesting. Nice. I like it. Let's walk around the other side. See if it having any smoke or anything. Oil pressure's up. Nice. You can hear it. It's not skipping. Sounds healthy. Sounds happy. I do not see carbon fingers. There's smoke coming out of this car. I think all it shows. I like it. This was a very well-maintained 7.3. Very happy with the truck. I don't drive it that often, but yep, that'll work. I'm pretty stoked. Have a good day, YouTube. Bye.